Good morning everyone, this is Jinu here with the weekly market updates. Bullion sector gold. During the last week, gold market moved as per our expectation, tracking various factors that happened globally. The Chinese central bank's action of devaluing its currency attracted the investors towards gold as a safe investment. For the week ahead, we are expecting the continuation of positive trend in gold market as host of economic events regarding housing market, inflation, etc. would likely to have a mixed to positive impact on the market. Silver market also moved in line with gold. COMEX silver futures surged fourth week high of $15.57 per ounce. This time silver market moved strongly tracking gold market. Mixed trend in base metals with positive movements in some selected base metals added the uptrend. For the week ahead, we are expecting the same scenario. Base metal. The devaluation of Chinese yuan against US dollar resulted in the downfall in the industrial metals. Nickel was the worst performer as the weak stainless steel sector in China along with the weakness in currency led to the disaster for the metal. In case of copper, supply disruption due to torrential rain in Chile and power cut in Zambia buoyed the price of the metal. Overall, in the upcoming week, as the metals are in oversold level, we are expecting a bounce back in selected metals. Therefore, we recommend to buy copper and lead from the lower levels and selling nickel from the higher levels. In case of aluminum and zinc, we are recommended to remain on a trade range. Crude prices slumped down heavily for most of the trade session during the week. Due to global negative scenario of overproduction, marginally flat DOE's inventory data and rig counts. For the coming week, we are expecting to trade on a range bound as the commodity is so close to $40 per barrel. Chances are there to get a strong pullback as the end of the US summer driving season is approaching. Some strong product demands may come, but still our overall view is in bearish considering the oversupplied situation. Coming to the soft sector, cotton and sugar. Cotton future traded up by 3% during the week due to lower crop outlook in India as well as in the world. However, the sluggish export demand and adequate supply from CCA led correction to some extent. But lower production estimates and drier weather may continue to support the price in the coming week. So we recommend to buy cotton from the lower level. Sugar futures are expected to trade on a positive note due to the active buying in spot market. However, ample surplus stock available in the major trading region may limit the gains during the week. So, we expect sugar may trade on sideways to positive trend. Oil and oilseed sector. Soybean prices traded up during the week due to tightening of supplies and steady demand by buyers. However, in the coming week, the rise of prices is likely to be limited as good crop conditions and sluggish soya meal demand might pull prices down. So we recommend to sell the soybean. Refined soya oil. During the week, its prices inched upwards as demand began to build up after witnessing fall in prices on higher supplies. For the coming week, the refined soya oil prices may trade on a higher note on anticipated increase on demand. So we recommend to buy refined soya oil. RM seed. The future prices of RM seed traded on NCDEX platform traded on a higher note during the week on lean season and steady to moderately higher demand. It is likely to continue this trend in coming week also. However, the rise may not be much on account of good kharif oilseed condition. So we recommend to buy RM seed for the week. Coming to the spices sector, turmeric and jeera. The NCDEX turmeric futures witnessed a mixed trend during the last week. Overall, the trend remained in a range bound during the week due to the mixed response at spot market. Turmeric futures are expected to continue uptrend initially in coming week on account of extended buying. Fundamentals of moderate demand and stable arrivals might support the prices. While jeera futures ended the week up by 5% due to the spot market sentiments supported the uptrend. In the coming week, we are expecting the positive trend to continue, supported by the fundamentals of good demand amid restricted supplies.